Yes, people, so we just go remove the fish from the fire, you know, cause them nice and crispy, you know. Watch them, man. Fish them crispy and nice, you know, people.
A vegan lifestyle, money stuck in a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born fi style. Girl a bubble for the king, them love me profile. Every day I'm money and fun, me a live versatile.
Wagwan people, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. Yeah, man, so today we'll deal with some fry fish, outdoor style, Jamaican style. All right, so we're gonna get the fire ready, up and running, and then start seasoning up the fish, and then we're gonna move on and make gonna see what I go on. You know what I mean? Come on. All right, so we just go light up the grill real quick. Like I said, a fry fish we are dealing with today. It's not gonna be any type of grilling or anything like that, but since we're not in Jamaica right now, guys, some things are kind of limited, so we're not really cook in the bush or nothing like that. You get me, I say? We are cook outdoor same way, but on the grill. This is our stove for today. See that? This is the stove. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna light it up, you know. Make it so I go on. Yeah. Just like that. Nice and simple. Easy day at the beach. Yeah, guys, so we're at the beach right now. The beach is like maybe about 20 yards, no, 50 yards that way, all right? Yeah, man, so we are get the fire up and running, guys, right now. See it there? Making us see what I go on. So once you kind of catch properly, we'll put on the pot and making us see what I go on. Yeah, man, hope everyone's having a wonderful day so far. Big up on yourself. If you haven't yet, subscribe to the channel. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, guys, all right? And once you subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time we post a new video. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, and let me know what you think. Yeah, man, so we have some fish right here, so some whiting fish, fillet, you know, and that we'll deal with right now, guys. So we just go add with seasoning to the fish. We have some all-purpose seasoning, but we add to it. Not overdo it, you know. Mix them up nice and proper. See it there? Nice, right? Well seasoned already, guys. Yeah, man. So now we'll add on some flour to it thing, you know. Flour and cornmeal, we'll mix it up together. Like I said, guys, are some deep fried fish with the pan today. Crispy, golden. Yeah, man. Outdoor style, Jamaican style. Drop in some more flour in it, you know. All right, so while I deal with this, I'm going to put on the pot on the fire right now, guys. Yeah, man, put it on the fire, make it go on. Heat up, get that heat. Yeah, man, so we just cover everything in a flour and cornmeal mixture. Yeah. And then we go add some oil in our pot, you know. Yeah, man, we're adding the oil, guys. Yeah. You know that now take long to get hot, you know, people, because a cast iron, you know, hot. And they keep the heat nice and proper. So once that get to a nice temperature, yeah, man, we'll add in the fish them. Drop in some pepper in it and some thyme, you know. Yeah, man. Put up the sign of the fire, blaze it up. Eh? No, I'm not put charcoal, man. This go help if you blaze up, come on, a high flame underneath it. You understand? Yeah, I don't want the fire low, I want it high. Cause once them palm tree bark yeah, start catch, the fire go just flame up, you know? Blaze up. Looking at the back, you see that? The other little piece from me have in it. Yeah man, them type of cooking you know, people. Them type of cooking are normal, you know. Yeah man. Deep fried fish, nice and crispy. Outdoor, Jamaican style, yardman style. Yeah man, bush cooking are some of the best, the sweetest cooking in the people. Yeah man, if you're from the countryside of Jamaica, you already know what I talk about. Yeah, so we'll get a nice flip you know. And yes, a piece of stick me I use. Yeah man. Anybody have a problem with that? Hey, I'm not going to say nothing, you know, but that me I use today. It's a stick. Yeah. Look how that crispy, man. My God. Ooh. Hey, not even, hey, trust me. No fast food place. Not even snappers. None of them place there. No fried food spot. You see it? When it comes to fried chicken, jerk chicken, hey, I may have the best. Yes, people, big up on yourself, man. Big up on yourself. Hello. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, people. That we are dealing with today, you know. You see how they pepper in it, I go and bubble like soup. Go add a nice flavor to it, man. I don't say nothing more. Yes, people, so we just go remove the fish from the fire, you know, cause them nice and crispy, you know. Watch them, man. Fish them crispy and nice, you know, people. All right, we'll add in one piece more. Watch there, look at that, guys. Nice and crispy, you know, man. They don't get better than this, people. Pan hot. Hot like fire. Watch it, give it a nice flip again, people. Look how that look crispy, man. Oh God, man. Hey, I need to start sell fry fish, you know, people. I need to open my own fry fish restaurant. No joke, because look on them style. I wish when we there around right now, to just see it in person and not over the computer screen or the TV screen or your phone screen. Because, yeah, you see the texture right here. I know, but you see it on the TV, you know. Up on the YouTube, what may I say? If them did that in person, then when I see the real, oh my God, man. I'm going to go take a bite it. I'm tempted to take a bite right now, guys, but I'm make the video kind of reach where if you reach first. Yeah, if you know what me I talk about. Yeah, man. Watch them, man. Crispy, you know, people. Yeah. Yes, people. So, like I say, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you're missing out. You're missing out on some of the greatest food about the place. Yeah, man, definitely subscribe to the channel. Free, no cost, no charge to you. Make sure you like the video. If you like the video, just means if you enjoy what I go on, like it up, share it up, leave a comment. Let me know the type of video. Smoke them, yeah, man. Woo! Let me know the type of video you want to see. Any type of recipe, any type of outdoor vlog, any type of thing. That we are dealing with right now. Jamaican style, yardman style. All right, so this basically ready now, you know. You're ready now. I get about 30 more seconds in there because I want it well crispy on the other side, same way. On the skid side. And then we're going to remove this from the fire. You understand? All right. What's there? Whew. That is it. Oh my God. Yes, people, so the fish them ready. Nice and crispy, you know. So we're gonna make them know what we are dealing with, what I go on.
Flaky.
Nice and flaky. Crunchy on the skin. Well seasoned, right? Nice, man. Sweet.
Oh, wow.
Wow. This is like perfectly fried, you know, and the seasoning blend has a nice little spiciness to it, little kick.
Also the habanero.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Probably that's where the pepper, the spiciness is coming from the habanero that we added to the oil.
Oh, yeah.
Wow.
Very good.
Very nice, man. Yes, bush cooking, outdoor cooking are the best. I tell you. Yeah, man. So, if you enjoy watching the vlog, big up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. And remember, peace, love, blessings. I'm out.